Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Cover microeconomics, macroeconomics, public finance, international trade, and development economics. For Mpsc economics, map the official syllabus into 6 core modules and list subtopics for each module to avoid gaps. Allocate 2-hour focus study blocks, totaling 4 hours daily, and reserve 1 block for revision. Prioritize topics by weight. Public finance 25%, macro 20%, development 15%, with remaining weight split among micro, trade, and statistics. Track progress weekly and mark high-frequency areas that recur in past pages. Use 1 standard textbook per topic and 3 supplemental sources to balance depth and coverage. For example, a macro text, a micro text, and a public finance monograph. Create a reading schedule with 2 chapters per week and integrate lecture notes and government reports. Solve previous 10 years of Mpsc papers under timed conditions to identify question patterns and average time per question. Weekly mock tests on Sundays for 3 hours will build stamina. Review mistakes immediately and update your error log for targeted practice. Revise core formulas and graphs every 7 days so that graphs, multipliers, ISLM shifts, and fiscal multipliers become second nature. Maintain short notes with 50 high-yield points covering definitions, curves, key ratios, and 5 model answers for public finance questions. In the last 30 days, practice full syllabus revisions in 6 cycles, allocating 1 day per module and 1 day for full-length mock exams. On exam day, manage time with 90 minutes for objective sections and 150 minutes for descriptive answers, answering high-confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.